गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, जो भी जब मुझे देख रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. दिस इज़ अंकिता अरोरा. This is a video, again a short informative video for you. Lot of students, all they are asking me, ma'am, you have started the exemption classes for AMA, DT, IDT, but the schedule, the duration is at least 30 days. So, how can we attend this kind of classes when there is uncertainty about the dates of the exam? So, I just want to clarify you that if exams are going to be held, if the exams are going to be held, it would be from July. It would be from July and not from the starting of the July, most probably from mid of the July, if it would be happening. Why? Because till 31st May complete lockdown is there, right? Till 31st May there is complete lockdown. And what ICI told, that they will be providing at least 25 days notice to you before the conduction of the exam. That means even if in rarest circumstance, suppose on 1st July, 1st June also you are getting the dates of the exam, that is rarest circumstance, I am telling you. We are taking the rarest thing, again repeating, that is not going to happen. But if even I take on 1st June, they say we are conducting exam, at least 25 days they will be giving you, right? They would be giving you more, what, at least 25 days. So at least is more than 25 is also possible. So obviously your exam will start when, for second group they are going to start from July only, because if you see, even on 1st June you are getting the dates of the exam, then your dates of the exam 25 days till 25 June, no exams will be there. Then first group, after the conduction of first group, second group starts, so obviously your exam is going to start from July. So first thing I have cleared, that don't worry about the schedule, and these are 2 hours classes, and this is class that is strictly I am focusing, and those who are attending this class, they know the difference between a normal class, class, and the way I am teaching, because many things I am focusing. That is first thing, personal attention. I make you write the things, I explain you each and every concept, I explain the why suggested answer is drafted like this, how we have to write according to suggested answer, many things. I make them learn the keywords, and I can't just give a list here, that but those who are attending this class, they know the exact difference, that they are getting trained for exemption. They are not just studying, they are even learning. Even I can bet, if the student follows everything I am telling in class only, if the student pays 100% attention in class, if they are doing whatever I am teaching in class, for sure, even if they don't get time due to their job, due to any of the circumstance, if they don't get time to study, still they would have everything here, and if I'm saying this, if I'm giving such a big statement, that matters. And honestly, the classes are far different from any other class. Okay, because target is exemption, and exemption is not like one time I explain you, second time I revise things for you, and that is done. Exemption is not like that. It is not at all like that. Each and every minute detail we are focusing on, so that we know everything what we have to do, from time management to paper analysis to how to use that 15 minutes when paper start. You get the reading time of the paper 15 minutes, how to use that, which keyword is necessary, highlighting from that keyword, to learning, to writing, to time management, what not, indexation of mistakes, many things are there in it. But one thing, if you feel that, ma'am, we want some demo, so for that I have done one thing. Those students who want demo for AMA batches, because now the AMA has started, from yesterday only I have started the AMA, you can take the demo today only you can request, you can take the demo. So whosoever want to take demo, For one day I am allowing the demo. Why for only one day? Because in one day you will get to know the difference. If I'm saying like this, it is very big statement. In a day you will get to know the difference between the normal classes and exemption classes. I'm not comparing myself, I'm not giving negative comment, but the thing is, targeting exemption requires something more than just understanding and leaving questions on you to be practiced. It requires something more. So you can attend my batches, you can attend a demo lecture, whether it is for AMA, DT, IDT, you can attend the demo lecture. One day demo lecture is allowed only. Okay, so you can put me the request for demo lecture on 7999709236. That is my WhatsApp number. I will be sharing the link for that virtual classes, but it would be one day. From the second day, when you pay the fees, when you register, then you can attend the class, because in one day you will understand the difference. And the course is so concised in 30 days, 40 days. If I'm completing within 2 hours, everything is planned for per day basis. So I can't allow more than one day. The demo lecture I can allow more than one day. In one day you will only understand what we have planned, how the things are going to happen, each and everything. So I am working, I am playing the part as a coach, as a trainer for you, to train you to get the exemption. So if I'm saying something so clearly, so confidently, so something is different, and you should just try it once. Okay, why I have started classes, specifically AMA class for old course? Because speed issue is there. Many things I have noticed, because of which AMA is one of the reason you don't clear, and second is ISCA, right? DT, IDT for old and new course, any of the student can attend my class, because that is common. But if I talk about old course, why I started old course, I know the number of students would not be more, but I want, this is the last attempt of old course, so you have to clear, you should clear, you have to clear. That is the reason I have started. Okay, so do take the maximum benefit, and do take the demo lecture for one day. Request for the demo link of the demo lecture. We will be connecting virtually. You will be part of the class, we will connect virtually for and if you feel yes, there is actually difference in this class, then you can continue. If you want to continue my classes, that will up to you. Today AMA class, we will be starting the AMA class for today again 10:15, up to 10:15 at night we will be starting. Why it is so late? 10:15 to 12 it might go. We can change the time. It is on work, I'm working for that. I can change the time. It could be 8 to 10, it could be 8 to 10. I'm working on it. But if this happens, time might get changed. Okay, so if someone has, ma'am, this time is not suitable for me, so time might get changed, I'm not guaranteeing you. But I have to see the number of students, the probability, the majority also. Okay, and why night time has been suit? If you are in job, even if you are taking care of family, if you are a married one, so obviously you will get calmly, you can study at night with me. I am here, I'm getting myself awake for you, to make you score that exemption. So leave things on me, rely on me. Okay, चलो, तो जिन्हें भी ज्वाइन करना है, do give a request on WhatsApp number again 7999709236, and let's score exemption. Okay.